panibago na naman kami ngayong Sunday. Sasakay na naman kami ng train, nakakit na naman kami ng bundok. Naghihintay kami ngayon na, ayan po, bana. Cable car pala. Ayan, aga pa kami. Umalis ng bahay. 6:30. Oh yeah? Yeah. Okay. Only two cable car here. Okay. Wow. At ang liit ng cable car nila, hindi guys, sa iba marami. Tsaka malalaki. How many capacity of that mahal ko? Only 4. We are 5. Where we give this ticket?
Huh?
Where we give this ticket?
I don't know.
I think they're inside the...
Maybe she's coming and collect the ticket She give it
May
as a
ticket
later
kasi
on.
kami.
She collected
Ayan na siya.
because she
May
forgot
baka sa baba.